First one to say the name of this brainrot wins it.
Job application.
Job man with back.
Smiling job. May we have a hint?
Now,
He is in the tung sahur family.
L hint or what bacon girl?
I know it.
What?
Job sahur.
Correct.
That's unfair.
Should we give Baconboy a chance to win something else?
Yes.
Okay. If you can guess what is in this lucky block, you keep it.
I think a sock.
Sorry, that's not correct.
Whatever.